Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we are asked if y is greater than 0 and y squared minus 36 is equal to 0, what is the value of y? So taking our equation right here, y squared minus 36 is equal to 0. We have to recognize that this is the difference of two squares. We have y squared minus 36 is 6 squared. This is equal to 0. And the pattern for recognizing a difference of two squares is that you take the things that are being squared and you add them and then you subtract them. So you have y plus 6 times y minus 6. This is equal to 0, right? If we were to redistribute, we'd have y times y is y squared. We'd have plus 6y minus 6y is plus 0y. That's why there's no singular y term here. And then plus 6 times minus 6 is negative 36. So if this times this is equal to 0, either this has to be equal to 0 or this has to be equal to 0. So y plus 6 is equal to 0 or y minus 6 is equal to 0, and this gives you the two answers for our equation. So subtract 6 from both sides to solve for y is equal to 0 minus 6 is negative 6. Add 6 to both sides here. 0 plus 6 is positive 6. So what is the value of y if y is greater than 0? Well, it's not negative 6, so it has to be 6. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.